Hi friends, welcome to my channels. Now I am going to discuss about the structures of atoms. An electron is defined as subatomic particles. An electron is defined as the subatomic particles. Subatomic particles having unit negative charge. Charge and mass equal to the 1 by 1835 the mass of the hydrogen atom. 1 by 1835 of the mass of the hydrogen atoms. Some basic concept of the electrons. Electron discovered by the J.J. Thomson's. Cathode ray experiment. Electron discovered by the J.J. Thomson's in his cathode ray experiments. Second one, electron charge equal to minus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19. Electron charge equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. It is determined by molecules in its oil drop experiment. Next one, mass of electron equal to 9.11 into 10 to the minus 31 kg. Mass of electron equal to 9.11 into 10 to the minus 31 kg. Calculated by the mass of electron calculated by the J.J. Thomson's. Mass of electron calculated by the J.J. Thomson's. Yes, next, specific charge of electrons. Specific charge of electrons equal to 1.76 into 10 to the power 8. Specific charge of the electron equal to 1.76 into 10 to the power 8 coulombs per gram. 1.76 into 10 to the power 18 into coulombs per grams. Next point. It decreases with increasing in its velocity. Velocity because the increase in the velocity increases the mass of the electron. Because the increase in the velocity increases the mass of the electrons. Next, density of the electron equal to 2 into 2.17 into 10 to the 17 gram. Density of electron equal to 2.17 into 10 to the power 17 grams. Next one, radius of the electron equal to 10 to the minus 15 centimeter. Radius of the electron equal to 10 to the power minus 15 centimeters. Next, mass of 1 mole of electrons. Mass of 1 mole of electron equal to 0.55 mg. Next, charge on 1 mole of electrons. Charge on 1 mole of electrons equal to 96,500 coulombs or 96,500 coulombs or 1 Faraday. Next is the properties of unknown rays. Properties of unknown rays are, first one, they travel in a straight line. Properties of the unknown rays, first one is they travel in a straight line. Second one, they are deflected by the electric and magnetic fields. Third one is they cause phosphorescence. They cause phosphorescences. Fourth one, they penetrate through very thin aluminum foils. Penetrated through aluminum foils. Last one, they affect photographic plate. They affect The effects are in form of the photographic plates. The lightest positive charge particles, obtains. The lightest positive charge particle has obtained in the case of hydrogen gas. The lightest positive charge particle obtained in the form of hydrogen gas. Next, some basic concept of proton. Some basic concept of protons. Discovered by Rutherford. Proton is discovered by the Rutherford in unknown ray experiment. In unknown ray experiments. Second one, charge of proton equal to plus 1.602 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. Charge of the proton equal to 1.602 into 10 to the minus 9 coulombs. Then mass of proton equal to 1.672 into 10 to the minus 27 kg. Mass of the proton equal to 1.672 into 10 to the minus 27 kg. Next one, specific charge of proton equal to 9.58 into 10 to the power 4 coulombs per gram. Next one is mass of the 1 mole of proton. Mass of the 1 mole of the proton equal to 1.007 gram. 1.007 gram. Then charge on 1 mole of proton. Charge of 1 mole of proton equal to 96,500 coulombs. Charge on 1 mole of proton equal to 96,500 coulombs. Elements, number of electrons, number of protons. First one is the hydrogen. Hydrogen, number of electrons 1, number of protons 1. Hydrogen's number of electrons 1, number of protons 1. Then helium, number of proton 2, number of electron 2. Helium, number of electron 2, number of proton 2. Oxygen, number of protons 8, number of electrons 8. Fluorine, number of electron 9, number of protons 9. Sodium, number of electron 11, number of proton 11. Then chlorine, number of electron 17, number of proton 17. Next one is some basic concept of neutrons. Neutrons was discovered by Chadwick. Mass of neutron equal to 1.67 into 10 to the minus 27 kg. Mass of neutron equal to 1.67 into 10 to the minus 27 kg. Then specific charge of neutron equal to 0. Specific charge of neutron equal to 0. Then density of neutron equal to 1.5 into 10 to the 14 gram. Density of neutron equal to 1.5 into 10 to the 14 gram. Then mass of 1 mole of neutrons. Mass of 1 mole of neutrons equal to 1.008 gram. 1.008 gram. Mass of 1 mole of neutrons 1.008 grams. Then next, neutron is defined as the neutral subatomic particles. Neutron is defined as the neutral subatomic particles having mass 1.675. Having mass 1.675 into 10 to the minus 24 gram. which is nearly equal to the mass of hydrogen atom. Which is nearly equal to the mass of a hydrogen atoms. The protons and neutrons. The protons and neutrons are collectively known as nucleus. The protons and neutrons are collectively known as nucleus. Thanks. Please share and subscribe. Click the bell icon. Click the bell icon. Thank you.